Ethan, tell me what happened. I want to understand before we decide what we should do.
I used to think being a good father meant fixing everything. Now I know being there matters more.
Sarah, the kitchen tap is broken. Don't worry, I can fix it before breakfast.
Dad, is this the right place? I can't see very well with this flashlight.
Don't worry. Lily, turn off the water quickly. Sarah, I've got the pipe.
Dad, my bedroom door is difficult to open. Can you please take a look at it?
Dad, is it fixed now? It still sounds like the door is complaining. Dad, can you fix my bicycle? And please don't start fixing the whole garage.
The kitchen light is blinking too. I can check it quickly just to be safe. Okay, I understand. I didn't fix the phone. I only plugged in the charger. Don't worry, this organizer is simple. We will have it finished before lunch. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. We will fix the organizer after lunch.
Michael, please be careful. If the leak gets worse, we are calling a plumber.
Dad, the bathroom is making a strange sound. Can you please see what is wrong?
There it is! A tiny piece of plastic caused the strange sound. Your bicycle is ready.
Michael, look at this envelope. It has my name on it and it looks very old. It says, "There is something important in the basement, left here for the family who came next."
Let's look carefully. We are not here to break anything. We are only trying to understand this letter.
Dad, I found a little key. I think it belongs to this old box.
Look at this. They lived here many years ago, but their family memories still feel familiar. He learned that a good father does not fix everything. He listens, helps, and stays beside his family.
Let's stop fixing things today. The house can wait. I want to spend the afternoon with my family. If I cannot fix something, I will ask for help. I don't have to know every answer. Home is not about everything being perfect. It is about the people who stay together inside.
You don't have to handle it alone anymore, Michael. Let's go upstairs together.
See? We fixed this together. Nobody had to solve the whole problem alone. Ethan, you seem quiet this morning. If something is bothering you, I'm here to listen.
Everyone wants Daniel on their soccer team, Dad. I feel bad when they choose me last.
We don't have to make everything perfect. We can simply help something grow, one small step at a time.
I almost spent all day fixing the garage door. The problem was only this little toy car.
Ethan, tell me what happened. I want to understand before we decide what we should do.
I'm disappointed that you pushed him, but I will never stop loving you because you made a mistake. Sometimes we solve problems by listening, saying sorry, asking for help, and staying together.
Our home does not need to be perfect. We only need to care about each other.
The tap is still leaking, but today I know what to do. I will call someone who can help.
Dad, the roof is crooked, but I want to finish it myself. Can you just watch?
This note says our home is not broken when things break. It is broken when people stop caring.
Come closer, everyone. This picture is not about a perfect house. It is about our family.
Dad, you really tried to fix everything, but I think listening helped us much more.
I used to think being a good father meant fixing everything. Now I know being there matters more. Life will never be perfect, and that is okay. We have each other, and that is enough.
I don't need to fix everything anymore. I only need to be here when my family needs me.